How's everybody doing? It's the Bubble Bag Dude. Want to take a moment, show you our product. Here's our 5-gallon bags. Here's our logo, the Bubble Bag Dude, trademarked. Each bag has its micron size right here where you can see it. These bags are made of super thick material. Here's the inside. Nothing to peel off or rub off. Here's our mesh, German mesh, heat stamped. Super thick. I pay a lot of money for this mesh. I could buy a lot cheaper quality mesh, but I spend a lot more money on it and it pays off with the yields. I have a 30-day warranty, no questions asked for any reason. If you don't like the bags, send them back. I'll give a full refund and I'll pay the return shipping. Each kit comes with storage bag, pressing screen. Each bag here is a different color. We also have 20-gallon bags. They're huge. 1-gallon bags. We started carrying in the last few months. All mesh bags. See some of the stitching. These things are super thick and strong. You'll love them. 1-gallon bags. And I have 20-gallon all mesh bags as well. And we also carry the 5-gallon bubble machines. I'm doing this video by myself. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod real quick. I just want to show you something about the 5-gallon bubble machine. If you're still hand stirring your product, you need to buy one of these machines. They're super affordable now. This is the timer. What you do is just turn the timer to the desired time, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Turn it on. Spins one way. Then it stops and spins the other way. What you do is you get a 5-gallon zipper bag and you put your product in it and ice in it. You bring it over, you submerge it in the machine with water and ice, turn it on, sit back, let it do all the work. When you get finished, it has a drain line here, you just drain it right into the bags. This machine takes all the work out of making bubble. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching the video. If you have any questions, just drop me an email. You can also go to our website, www.bubblebagdude.co. Double your yields with the Bubble Bag Dude. Thanks for watching.